Tollgates were a common feature of Welsh roads for centuries and were a source of anger and protest for local people. Turnpike trusts were responsible for the construction and maintenance of roads and would erect toll gates to collect payments from travellers. The trusts were funded by loans from wealthy landowners, and the tolls were used to repay the loans. People were often unhappy with the tolls, complaining about overcharging and being forced to pay multiple times a day. Farmers were particularly affected as they used the roads to transport lime to their farms. A series of protests against the tolls took place in West and Mid Wales between 1839 and 1843. The rioters, known as Rebecca's daughters, were often men dressed as women. The riots caused the abolition of the turnpikes in 1844. This is